So have you ever wanted a quick and easy way to wirelessly stream from your phone, whether that's using your camera, you want to use it to highlight everything on your screen, or use it for gaming directly to your computer or just an external monitor? Now you can do that. This is called the Llano A580 wireless video transmitter and recorder. This is a device that connects to your monitor or your computer. It has a transmitter and a receiver. It's literally plug and play, but ultimately what that means is with this product, you can get very fast wireless recording, mirroring or transmission from your phone directly to a monitor with ultra low latency, which means it's going to feel like a wired connection and you're not going to require any Wi-Fi or any capture card. It's just straight out of the box, you plug it in and you're up and running within 10 seconds. So I'm going to showcase some scenarios of how I would use this. One of the key ones being using my iPhone camera to record myself when I'm shooting my videos. I'd like to see myself at the same time, so I'm going to bring it up in OBS Studio on my iMac, but you can also do that with another monitor. And I'm going to showcase how you can use this just to screen record everything on your phone screen. Use OBS Studio for that. Or just have multi-purpose connections. If you want to connect your laptop to a monitor, you can use it to extend the display using this device. It will be a wireless transmission, so even if you're in a large boardroom, you can connect it to a TV or a monitor from a distance and it will feel like a direct wired connection. Check the links in the description. This has just gone live. It's an absolutely great product and you can find it on Kickstarter, get some early bird discounts, and let's go ahead and get straight into it. So if we take a look at everything that comes in the box, this is the receiver, this is the USB-C transmitter, you also have yourself a user manual, then you have yourself a cable which is used to power this, which is USB-C to USB-A and C, which with an adapter at the end of it. Then you also have a HDMI to HDMI cable to connect it to your monitor. There's also a small extender adapter if you want to just place this into certain devices that are at awkward angles. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the design of the receiver and the transmitter. The transmitter is very simple. You plug this into either your phone or your laptop. This also has another USB-C port on the side, so it allows you to charge it at the same time, so you can get endless hours of continuous power whilst using this for wireless mirroring. This is the receiver. On one side you have the HDMI input with a microphone 3.5mm jack. On the back end you also have a USB-C port where you need to power this on. Then on the right side you have the output HDMI port as well as a headphone 3.5mm jack port as well. So all in all, it has everything that you need just to have a quick plug and play connection. It's quick and easy. Let's go ahead and showcase this connected. And here you can see I've got it up and running now. So I have the HDMI port connected and the USB-C power port connected as well. Those are the two connections that you need for a monitor. I've got it connected to my iMac using my HDMI dongle. And then the USB-C port goes into the USB port of my iMac as well to power this receiver. And that's all you need. Now let's go ahead and show you the end-to-end connection and how quick and easy this is. Okay, so I have OBS Studio open. All I need to do is add a video capture device. This is set to the A580 as you can see here. I've got it set at to 1080p. Right now, I don't have the transmitter connected. So with my iPhone, have a look at how quick this is. So this is going to go straight in to my iPhone. You can see it's now turned on, it's pairing. The connection is automatically paired directly from the factory, so you don't need to do any manual pairing. And as you can see, it's now displayed on OBS Studio. Just take a look at the input lag. It's almost pretty instantaneous. That is great. So you can now start recording and even live streaming directly from your phone wirelessly without having all these cables going everywhere. Now, if I go onto the camera, there we go. I'm going to place it on my tripod, and there you can see how great the live video is. So if I wanted to live stream using OBS Studio, I can do that. I can make adjustments to the size of the screen as well. This just works absolutely great. And having this view directly to see myself wirelessly, not having to worry about any of this interfering with wires going around to connect to a certain monitor, this just makes it so much easier. Now, of course, I can use my phone as a webcam, have it live streaming via OBS Studio. If I'm playing some games, then that is going to be the best situation to be in. So that is one of the use cases where I will use this as a wireless video device and have it connected directly to OBS Studio. Okay, next, I've got my MacBook Pro attached to a standard monitor. So I've got the HDMI cable from the receiver connected to my BenQ monitor here, and I have the USB-C cable that is required to power this. I've just connected that directly into my iMac USB power port, just so I can get some power, but you can also plug this in to any plug or wall outlet. And I've got the transmitter just connected to one of the ports on my MacBook. So it's all wireless. There's no connection directly via a wire from the MacBook to the monitor, and you can see I've extended the display. So if you just have a look at how clean this looks, so I can drag this window over here. You can see that seamless transition. You can either mirror your laptop to the monitor, or you can extend the display like I have. Let's go ahead and play back this video to see how that looks. So this works great from my laptop, using this as a secondary monitor. And the last use case I wanted to showcase is my phone paired directly with just a standard monitor like this, not an iMac, and see how great that works for things like gaming. Okay, so this time around, I have my Android phone directly connected to the transmitter, and I'm now mirroring this on this monitor. And again, the connection is exactly the same to my monitor. Both of these cables are included in the box, both the USB-C power cable and the HDMI 1.5 meter cable as well. So plenty of room to set this up. So let's go ahead and see how great this looks when I do some gaming. You can see how much in sync the phone is compared to the video. This is where the latency really plays a big part in making sure that you have a strong, stable, wired-like connection. So hopefully this gives you a good indication. If you are going to use this for gaming wirelessly from your phone, you can project this onto a TV, not just a monitor, and just have it large screen. So this device actually allows that wireless freedom with ultra low latency, more than anything else that I've seen from a wireless transmission device like this. So those are the main use cases I really wanted to showcase. They are the most common ways that I'm going to be utilizing the A580. Llano have done an excellent job with a device like this. I'm going to use it to connect my laptop to a second monitor wirelessly. I'm going to take this to work as well. So when I want to do presentations in a meeting room, I can just connect the receiver to one of the TV's HDMI ports and then connect wirelessly directly from my MacBook Pro. It's going to save me a lot of hassle trying to find the right wires here and there. This will just do it all. And as you saw, if you want to use it for gaming, you can connect this to your TV. If you just want to showcase to your friends and family all of the photos, videos you've taken, whatever it may be, this can do it. This has just gone live on Kickstarter, so check it out. It's an awesome product that I feel like everyone would benefit from, whether you use it for work, for live streaming, for content creation, many different use cases. That's it. Any questions, as always, drop them down below. And if you enjoyed that, make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you all at the next one.